So to animate object along the path, what you're gonna have to do, import your images. I've got here two images, the car and the road. And what you're gonna need to do, don't select any image and go here to pan. Create the path that will follow the road along. Okay, and now what you're gonna have to do here is to go right over here. We have the shape, path, and make sure you click on the path and then press Command C or Control plus C. Go to your image and then press Command V, okay? Now that's here the rotation, we have the position, okay? And then I'm just gonna hold Alt and drag. Now it is moving, but we don't need this pad anymore. Now the car is moving, but it's centered, it's not like centered correctly. So we're gonna have to rotate it. So what you can do is right click, go to transform, here auto rotate, and just select here orient along path and click OK. And this should work. If it didn't work, you can also try this one, rotation for R, and just rotate it, okay? And now this is what we have here. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.